In the darkness, He called my name to make me holy and cleanse my shame. I never knew Him, but He knew me before the ages ever came to be. I fought with sin for my whole life. Now no more sorrow and no more strife. Don't care for money, I serve the King. I am a pauper with everything. When I was sick, He made me well. I'm bound for heaven and spared from hell. I always had Him and He had me. Then when I found Him, He set me free. He is my everything, He is my all. And though I falter, I will not fall. I've got no remedy, no words or deeds, but I've got Jesus, He meets my needs. He my all, and though I falter, I will not fall. I've got no remedy, no words or deeds, but I've got Jesus, He meets my needs. He is my everything, He is my all. And though I falter, I will not fall. I've got no